Hello, let's get started with nutrition. Nutrition is the intake of food and its utilization by our body. Have you ever wondered why we need food? Yes, we need food for growth, repair, and to perform all the activities in our day-to-day lives. All the organisms need food, but they have different modes of nutrition. There are basically two modes of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self and trophic means feeding or nourishing. So, autotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which organisms synthesize their own food. Plants show this type of nutrition. They synthesize their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water. Apart from these two substances, they also require chlorophyll pigment that is present in the leaves. Solar energy also drives this process. They prepare their food by the process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis can be defined as the process by which plants prepare their own food by using inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce sugar. Plants get carbon dioxide through the pores in the leaves called stomata and water from the soil through the roots. Now let's take a look at the equation of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide added to 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Synthesis can be divided into 3 steps. The first one is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. The second step is conversion of the solar energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The third step is reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates. Now what do you mean by reduction? It is the addition of hydrogen to carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates, or we can say glucose. Now let's discuss about the next mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organisms cannot synthesize their own food. So they depend on other living organisms for their food. This type of nutrition can be further subdivided into 3 groups. The first one is parasitic, second one is saprophytic, and the third one is holozoic. In parasitic nutrition, the organisms depend on other organisms for their food without killing them. For example, mosquitoes suck the blood of humans, leeches suck the blood of animals. Tapeworm and roundworms live in the intestine of humans and animals and get their nutrients from their food. In saprophytic mode of nutrition, the organisms depend on dead and decaying organic matter for their food. For example, mushrooms and molds. In holozoic nutrition, solid food is taken and it is digested in order to provide the nutrients for the body.